Hello everybody, welcome back to another forest walk and talk. I'm gonna be announcing some new format changes to these videos and my other videos. One of them, they're not gonna be as long. So they're gonna be short and sweet. I hope so. Anyway. Let's move on. I'm just here in my local forest having a nice coffee, and you get canned fish being in the forest here. Look at all that. It's so great for your mental health. Get you listening to the sounds of the running water. You know, mixed in with the background of the cars on the motorway. But yeah, I get all these beautiful colours. Check them out. Yeah, it's amazing how beautiful it is here. I don't know, it gets different colours that stimulates my mind and relax it, and then the sound of the running water just, I don't know, it takes kind of like washes all the stress away, you know. It's so relaxing here. Yeah, so it's gonna be, I'm going to try doing more videos like this, get short and sweet. Let me know what you think. Yeah, the views around here are beautiful, and I don't know what it is, it's just so relaxing and yeah, so relaxing and peaceful. I think peaceful is the word that I'm trying to find, and the fact that we are just, like I say, about 10 minutes from the local town, my local town, like 5-minute drive. So we are so blessed to have this area. I'm going to end it there. I hope everyone is keeping safe and mind yourself, and talk to you soon, okay? Bye.